maintain and connect it with PC through RS485 port. As per the starting page display, this meter has station ID 14. Here A plus and B minus terminal are used for RS485 converter connection. This converter is used for RS232 to RS485 conversion. On PC, I have opened this Moreskin32 software. So through connection menu, first of all I need to ensure the comport connection and combination parameters. Okay, so converter is connected on COM port 1, baud rate is 9600, data bit 8 length, parity none, single stop it. Also I need to ensure that Modbus RTU protocol selection in protocol selection. So here RTU selected as a standard transmission mode. As per the address map, at 200 address I should get kVA. On meter display, kVA is 72.05. On Moreskin32 we are getting 72.03 on 201 address. Actually our all parameters are 4 byte unsigned long. Okay, so at higher 2 bytes are coming on 200 address, lower 2 bytes are coming on 201. So actually we need to combine all 4 bytes and then after we have to read. These data are less than 2 bytes, that's why we are getting correct reading on 201. So as per the address map we need to divide this reading by 100, so we will get the same reading as per the meter display. I am changing the display format, swap long. So now it is showing data on 200 address. Actually it is combining all 4 bytes and then after it is showing the data. Okay, so we need to divide it manually by 100 as per the parameter address map, because here you can see that MF of 100 for kVA. As per the address map, if suppose I want to read all parameter in single query, then here I need to feed length 64. Okay, so you are getting all data from the meter in single query. First 4 data are kVA, kW, kVAR and power factor. At 206 we are getting power factor. So let's ensure same thing on the meter display. So 72.05 kVA, 57.70 kW, power factor is 0.8, frequency is 50, kVAR is 43.30. So here we are getting same data on Moreskin32. At 200 address we are getting kVA, which is a 72.07 as per the meter display. At 202 we are getting kW, 204 we are getting kVAR, 206 we are getting power factor. If suppose power factor on lead side, then we will then meter will add 1000 with our power factor and it will send those data. So let's confirm this lead power factor also. Here it is leg side, so we are getting same data as per the meter on the Moreskin32. Just we need to divide power factor by 1000. For lead power factor it is showing -799. To separate out this lead sign, meter is adding 1000 with the power factor. Okay, so here you are getting 1799 at 206 address, which is a power factor. If suppose I want to read only power factor, then I have put address 206 in the address, length is 2, okay, and meter is support read holding register query, so I have selected 03 for the query type. So you can see that 206 we are getting the power factor. Now we look for the query response between the Morscan 32 and the meter. So let's me put address 200 LAN 2. Okay, then from the view, from the setup, I need to select show traffic. So here you can see that the black shaded area is a response from the meter. So let me stop this communication, then we analyze the query and response. The first byte is a meter station ID. Then after second byte is a query type. Then after 2 bytes are the starting address for the parameter. Okay, here actually we have feed 200 address. Okay, but Morscan 32 decrement that address by 1, so it is sending 199 address to the meter. Okay, then we have asked for LAN 2. Okay, so next 2 byte is 0002. Then last 2 bytes are CRC. So in response to this query, meter is sending this response. Okay, so first byte is a meter ID, second byte 03, which is a query type, then third byte is a 4. So as per the request we have asked 2 integers, so in response to that it is sending 4, 2 multiply 2. Then after next 4 bytes are the parameter data. So here you can see 2837 is the data from the meter. This is in decimal format, that's why we are not getting same display on this Morscan 32. So let me convert into the hex format. Here I have converted data format into the hex. So 0E, 0 is means 14, which is the meter station ID. 03 is the query type. 04 is number of the bytes we are getting from the meter. Okay, so these are the 4 bytes which is the value for the kVA. Then after next 2 bytes is CRC. Here I am going to feed all these 4 bytes in Kelsey in hex format. Okay, so first is 0, then next byte is also 0, then after 1C, then after next byte is 22. So let me convert into the decimal format. So here you can see that 7202, this value we are getting same as per the meter display. Okay, so we just we need to divide it by the 100. As per the address map, our all parameters are unsigned long. That's why we need to feed all these 4 bytes to get correct data. We need to feed all these 4 bytes 0, 0, 1C and 22. These all 4 bytes combined together to give the kVA reading. So make sure that always you need to combine 4 bytes to get correct reading as per the meter display. Then after as per the MF, you need to divide those data by the respective MF. So for the kVA, we need to divide value by 100. Here you can see that we have written the MF for the kVA is 100. So just you need to divide this value